Android 17 QPR1 Beta 4 has started rolling out, and while this isn't as feature-packed as the previous beta, it does include one major addition along with numerous bug fixes. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech news. The feature in question is Screen Reactions, a new tool that was unveiled at the Android show and will allow you to take recordings of both yourself and the screen of your phone at the same time. It'll turn on your selfie camera and record you in a movable and resizable window on top of whatever's on your display. So it's a really convenient way to record reaction videos without having to manually combine two pieces of footage. But even if reaction videos aren't your thing, this beta could still be worth grabbing, as it also fixes various bugs, such as one that will cause the mouse pointer to become invisible on external displays, one that causes the settings app to crash, one that causes recording with the 5x camera to exhibit frame jumps and jitter, and one that causes severe 3D performance drops. Of course, these are fixes for the previous beta, so if you're not already running on Android 17 beta, you might just be getting more bugs rather than fixing any by downloading this, but you will gain new features too. You'll need a Google Pixel 6a or newer device if you do want to grab this beta. The Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro are not eligible for it, even though they can get previous Android 17 betas. But if you don't have a spare phone to install it on, it's better to wait for the finished release, which is going to be more stable and is likely to land very soon. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.